Welcome to Learning with a Difference. News headlines for School Morning Assembly. 107 new COVID cases in Delhi, highest in 6 months. First death in 10 days. A second alleged incident of sacrilege was reported from Punjab's Kapurthala less than 24 hours after the incident at Amritsar's Golden Temple. Maharashtra alliance is punctured rickshaw causing pollution. Amit Shah. Coronavirus India live updates. India reported 7,081 cases in last 24 hours. Defense scientist accused in court blast attempts suicide in jail. Be prepared for any eventuality, aims chief on Omicron threat. Now some sports news. Ahead of India series, cricket South Africa postpones domestic matches over COVID fears. Second Ashes Test, Day 4. England on brink of defeat as Joe Root falls in final over. Kidambi Srikanth loses in Badminton World Championships final, takes home silver. And now news from the world. Top US scientist warns of bleak winter with Omicron ragging through the world. UK PM Boris Johnson appoints foreign minister to be Brexit negotiator. Deaths surge to 208 as strongest typhoon of year ravages the Philippines. Israel set to ban travel to US as COVID curbs widen. These were today's news headlines. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.